So today, friends, we are going to be making this cute heart pumpkin wand, and it is a very simple design in terms of you might already be very well adept at making it, but we're just adding on a spooky face. So as such, you might just want to skip ahead, look at the timestamps below, and you can see how to draw the face or not. Look, I'll just pop it there for you for a moment so you can be inspired. Make sure that you hit pause on that. Forgive me, I am recovering from being unwell, so my voice sounds a bit weird, but you guys are worth making a video for. We are cutting it a bit fine. Halloween is on Thursday, and I hope this might still be useful if you have any events going on. When it's inflated, we're just going to add it to a simple wand. Just 4 pumps into my balloon. Let a little bit of air out. So I share this technique in another video, and I do this typically so then when I make my flower petals, I'm happy with how many petals I get to the ratio of balloon hand. And just grab about a handful. For me, something like that looks pretty good. So 5 or 6 petals typically is what I go for. Whatever is quick and easy for you is what I recommend. Pro tip, this little bit of extra length will help you secure in designs. This love heart, it's got its own attachment point, but if you ever got the legs or appendages of animals or the like, you can use this end to help secure that into your design. But for now, some pumpkin carving going on outside. But here I'm just grasping the knot. Pull that nozzle around and in. And now the fun part, taking a marker and just popping on a face. We've got our eyes, which are almost like an egg shape. Just going to do a cute curved eyebrow on one side, and we're going to do an S shape on the other. Just to give him a bit of a fun, quizzical look. And you could stop there, but just going to add in some cute little nostrils. And that's a finished balloon. It's very quick and easy, very simple, but I'm also going to share another design with you, which was inspired by a recent trick-or-treat haul. I'm going to let Parsley talk about that. Over to you. Today, I raced to the post office after work. So in this box is some spooky goodies. I don't even know what they are. So it's basically what they call a lucky dip. So in this lucky dip, you are going to see as I find out what is what did I receive. I have no idea. You're going to see before me, hang on. Okay, she has some kind of crystal ball. Not really my style, but that's fine, that's fine. I like that. A dangling star, that is pretty cute. Okay, this one, all right. Oops. Oh, this is the last one. Oh, it's a cute owl. I'm going to make one of these for you out of balloons. I don't know which one. I want you to think about which one and let me know if you guess correctly what I'm about to make. So I'll give you a moment. Did you guess which design I was going to make? Did you guess that I would make one based on this? I bet you didn't. Even I didn't think I was going to at first. But then the idea came to me to create a beautiful crystal ball. It's using a 6-inch heart, and we also have an 11-inch round. So the heart's going to go inside the round. So you see how I've just put the heart inside there? Now when I inflate this balloon, I'm going to start first with the outer 11-inch round. I've done 5 pumps to inflate it there, and I want to try and maintain that roundness as much as possible. So very carefully, going to place the nozzle of the pump into the balloon. For me, that was about 3 pumps. My pump is inflating air as I go out and as I go in. Hopefully you'll get the feel to know if you've put too much or not enough in. We're just going to try and tie that off as one. So this is what we have so far. I do find the 11 inches sort of get a bit cloudy, but that can add to the mystery and the magic of this crystal ball design. I think so anyway. The handle would look fantastic if you could do it in one of the chrome colours. Even the reflex, that would be so beautiful. We just have another 5-petal flower one. I'm grasping the knot here. This is what I really want to try and integrate into the center of my flower. See how this is a little bit loose still? We're going to integrate it a bit more by rolling our round around the petals. And then you'll have something that hopefully looks a bit like this. And to finish off our crystal ball, a wonderful little finishing touch can be these little sparkling diamantes. I'm a fan of the stars. I think they read mystical very well. Separating them and sticking them on. Ooh. It can really bring some beautiful sparkle to the design. I really hope you enjoy these fun Halloween themed balloons. I think the crystal ball is my favorite, but I love how we can just pop a love heart on top of a flower and just give it a face. Simple, love it, ticks the boxes. I hope you'll agree. If you enjoyed this video or want to subscribe, I'd love to have you join my balloon family. I want to say thank you for helping me to put a positively spooky twist into your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye. Wait a moment, I think we can add a little something to this design. What a cute spooky little bonus. That is definitely it now for this video. So thank you and see you soon.